In this video, I'll be using Claude Mythos 5 to create a thorough implementation plan and have Claude Opus implement the plan. So, Claude Mythos 5 is finally released. They put some silly guardrails and changed its name to Claude Fable, but it uses the same weights, so let's test it. It actually lived up to the benchmark hype, but is going to be $50 per million output tokens, and is only available in subscriptions until the 22nd of June. Thereafter, it'll only be available through the expensive API. They also brutally route requests to Claude Opus 4.8 if you try to use it to train other models, without telling you. At least you get a warning if you try to perform cybersecurity with it.
By now, Claude Fable should be fully rolled out, but for future reference, for new models, you can go to the Claude website, enable DevTools and the Network tab, select the new model, and copy the model ID. Then in Claude Code, you can specify that ID in order to use the new model. Let's make sure we're using the right model by asking it to give us top security issues in our repo. To my surprise, it actually starts to work on the task and actually starts to use the security review skill to investigate exploits. I quickly copied its thought process while it was shown before it erased it. Surely enough, after detection, it stops to mention that this is a violation of their usage policies. So we know we are working with the dumb Mythos. I must mention that when I asked Opus 4.8 security questions, it did answer me without mentioning usage policies.
The only practical way to use Mythos right now is for it to write thorough implementation plans, which other, cheaper models can implement. I'll be using Mythos to perform a thorough, solution-wide upgrade to the API and front end, performance, reliability, and other aspects of the system. The codebase consists of a minimum of 500,000 tokens and is an AI football prediction platform which runs itself.
If a man only has a hammer, everything is a nail. Mythos was not able to understand nor ask that I don't want every page to have authentication. It secured all pages. I was obviously running out of credits and asked Mythos to quickly write a handover document. Then I asked Cursor Composer 2.5 to finish the implementation. The plan Mythos created is unlike anything I've seen yet because I read through it. It has speed expectations for pages, Android optimizations, and specific implementations and other details which I appreciated as a software engineer. It created 11 thorough plan documents without me specifying details. The end design wasn't the most beautiful UI I've ever seen, but it was not AI slop. It was too minimal and the site still had long-running API calls. Overall, so far so good. We have a lot more tests to do on Mythos. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the GPT 5.5 Extra High versus Mythos in very complex tasks, which touch on the entire software development lifecycle.